shoot this video because I have so much food in front of me and I'm so excited to dig in, guys. Everything looks very mouth-watering and I'm really impressed because these are all from small businesses that opened their business this quarantine season. As we all know, there are people who want to make their time productive, so they open their small businesses, and I'm up for them. I'm really supporting all the small businesses out there right now, and these are the few of those that I have seen that I really want to try. There are actually many people selling this food because these are the latest food trends in Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere during this quarantine season. So let me start this video by showing you the 4 delivery food that I have here. So let's go. First is the egg tart. Egg tart is really easy to make. That's why I think there are many people who opened their businesses and sold egg tarts this season. But I really love how the egg tarts of cats look like in photos. So let us try it and see if it's just in the photos or it's really good. The second one that I have here is the biggest trend in the internet. It is the ube pandesal. Everyone became a baker making their own version of this, but I tried the pastry bag because I really know that the baker of pastry bag is really good in baking other pastries. So I tried their ube pandesal. The third food that I have here is something that I actually saw from a seller in Manila, but I'm so thankful that I found one that does the same thing here in Pampanga, and I'm so excited to try it. It's the big sushi roll. It comes with seaweeds and you have to wrap it on your own so you can control how much rice you need in your sushi. So I ordered mine from Mikey Makes. They have pickups in San Fernando and Angeles area here in Pampanga. So thankfully I found them. The fourth food that I found online is something very unique. I haven't seen anything like this in Manila sellers or everywhere. It's just this seller, and I don't know, I'm not really sure if it's the first one, but I'm really sure you're gonna like it because it's a combination of everything nice that we eat. It's mac and cheese and Cheetos together. Here, it's the flaming hot Cheetos mac and cheese from Angelico's. It's really a unique dish and I'm so excited to dig in. So there it is, guys. You saw everything that I have right now and I can't wait to eat. So let's just start and eat. I'm gonna start by trying the egg tarts. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, I'm so excited to try it. Oh my gosh, that's the egg tart that I've been looking for. Look at the texture. I really love that this is crusty and this is soft inside. So it's really so yummy. And the sweetness of this egg tart is really the perfect sweetness lang. As in, hindi siya yung super tamis, hindi din siya yung hindi naman matamis. So, I'm really so happy. Oh my god. Grabe, I think I could finish this 6 tarts by myself. One down. If I don't stop, I'm gonna finish this all. So let's move on to the next one that we're gonna taste. Let's move on to ube pandesal. I don't know how this would taste. I honestly don't like ube if it's not the ube jam. But let's try this. I think it's gonna be a whole different experience because it's ube and this cheese inside. So I'm really looking forward for the cheese because I'm a cheese person. For the ube, kind of so-so lang ang expectation ko sa kanya because I really don't eat ube unless it's jam lang talaga. Pure jam. So, yun, let's try it out. Okay, let's open our ube cheese pandesal. Oh no! There's cheese inside. Look at the cheese! Grabe. Okay, let's try it out. Alam ko yung brand ng cheese na ginamit nung nag-bake and I'm so happy because that's my favorite brand. Hindi ko na i-mention pero sarap. Pero I think if meron pa siyang ube jam sa loob, sorry, ube jam person ako, baka mas masarap pa siya. Pero ang sarap, sakto lang yung consistency ng pagkagawa ng pandesal na to. Super. And yung pagka-distribute ng cheese niya, super hanggang sa dulo. Hindi talaga nagtipid yung gumawa nito. So, thumbs up pastry bag because hindi tayo nagtitipid ng cheese. That's important. Very, very important. Kasi may nakita ko sa online na bumili ng ube pandesal, tapos yung iba wala pang cheese sa loob. And yung iba, yung cheese nila parang yung square lang ng butter. So, thumbs up pastry bag. Super. Thank you so much. Grabe, ang sarap. It's the first time na na-appreciate ko yung ube na hindi siya jam. Baka masyado lang ako magkalat dito, so ilipat na natin to. Let's start tasting the sushi. When they give this dish to you, they will give you seaweeds with it because you have to wrap your sushi in seaweed. So let's try this. I'm really so excited to try this because I've seen this online a lot, but I've seen the salmon rolls a lot. Salmon yung laging binibenta, and I'm not a salmon person, I'm not a fish person. So I was looking for another sushi roll that's not salmon, and I found one. It's candy, and I'm so happy. Let's try it. It's time to taste it. I really love how creamy it is, and grabe, super, nung pumasok siya sa mouth ko. Kasi ang creamy, ang daming cream sa taas, and yung cream niya, hindi yung nakakasuya na cream. Ang daming laman. I think there's also seaweed inside, and kahit makabusan ka ng seaweed, meron pa rin dito. Super sulit. Super, I recommend you to try this one, especially if you're a sushi person like me, and I'm not gonna stop eating this. I'm a rice person, I'm a sushi person. Ang ganda ng division niya ng rice and ng toppings kasi saktong-sakto lang. Ang ganda. Galing. If I don't stop eating, I won't share any for my family. And now, guys, this is our last one, and I don't want to stop eating. Guys, look at this one. It's filled with flaming hot Cheetos, and let's look at what's inside, how the mac and cheese look like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's really a different experience because Cheetos and mac and cheese, guys. Can we just talk about that? Diba? Let's dig in and get a square of this mac and cheese. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much Cheetos. And it's flaming hot Cheetos. Oh my gosh, look at that cheese. Gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Let's not waste any time and just try it out. How can I describe what I'm feeling right now? Really good. Wait, I still need to take one bite before talking. I love how they made the mac and cheese very creamy and not salty because the Cheetos is kind of salty, and it really has a balance of taste because the Cheetos is flaming hot Cheetos, so it's spicy, and the mac and cheese is very creamy. Super nice balance of taste. Super. I don't know how to describe it. I'm not really good at describing how it tastes like because I just eat and not talk. So let's try it out again. I'm really so happy. But if you're not a fan of spicy food, I think you're not gonna like this because it's really spicy, but I could handle it. Good. Grabe. There it is, guys. I'm still gonna go out and get some more food because I gave my family the food already, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything was really worth the try and worth ordering again. And if I rate the things that I ate right now, I think my number one that I would order again is the baked sushi roll, and the number two, it's a tie in my number two. It's gonna be the egg tart and the mac and cheese Cheetos, and the third one is the ube pandesal. Not because I don't like it, it's because it's something that I don't really crave for. The other things that I told you a while ago are the things that I crave for lagi. So yeah, that's how I would rate the 4. But if I would rate them individually, I think everyone would get 9 or 10. So guys, You know what to do. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box on where I got all the food that I ate today. There are also some that I would share in my Instagram stories. You have seen me for the past week sharing Instagram stories about the small businesses that I've been supporting. It's really good to support small businesses right now because everyone's struggling in this crisis. So let's all help each other out and support everyone. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you so much. Bye!